It's been a while since I made you guys a video, and I just wanted to show you what I'm dealing with now. A little bit of surface rust in these cylinders. I'm not sure how much of a problem that's gonna be yet. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put it together anyways. Once I get the other head off, I'll look at it and see how bad it is. If it's real bad, I may go ahead and send the block out to get cleaned and rehoned. If it's not too bad, and I can kind of clean it out myself, that's what I'll do. Get new head gaskets on it, and then just go ahead and drop it in the Regal. I've got one head off right now, and I'm just kind of trying to get an idea of what I got here. This is supposed to be a 5.3 liter engine out of a Silverado. When I went and checked this engine out, it was still in the truck, so I got a chance to hear it run. We'll see what happens. All right, guys, so I pulled the head off the other side of the engine, and lo and behold, it's terrible. Look at that bad boy. You guys let me know, put in the description if you think I can save this engine or if I can get this thing running. I want to know what you guys think. I think there's a chance that we can get this thing running still. I believe in the LS series, the engines, the small block Chevy stuff. I really believe in it. But you guys let me know. I mean, I just pulled the head off. I smelled it. As soon as I pulled the valve cover off, I knew. I mean, I smelled something. It smelled like coolant, honestly, but it was just the smell of water and oil mixed together. It actually smelled really terrible. Yeah, you guys let me know what you think. If this is salvageable, if you would even try to do it yourself, or if you would just go ahead and send it in. Keep in mind, this is a junkyard build. I also don't like to do things twice, so keep that in mind as well. You guys let me know what you would do if this was your engine and you pulled it apart and you saw this. Thanks. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.